Hello students, the question is from DSA. They have asked the time complexity of a suffix tree in the worst case if we will consider the suffix tree as a single character, like edges as a single character. Okay, so what do you mean by a suffix tree first? Suffix tree, it is also called as a position tree. It is called as position tree and it is a data structure that presents the suffixes of a given string in a way that allows for a faster, or we can say particular, fast implementation of many important string operations. Okay, so normally in the suffix tree the worst case efficiency will be big O of n log n. Okay, but here we are telling that the edges are differing by first character, right? So here I am telling what each node and edge can be represented is big theta of one space, right? Because there is a difference of one character. So entire space will be represented as big theta of n. So what will be the string length then? Then the total length of all the strings on all the edges in the tree in worst case will be big theta of n square. Okay, just say for example 1 2 2 to n. So what will be the efficiency? It will be n square, right? And when we are considering the worst case, it will be big theta of n square. The summation of all these number will be n square, right? So when we are going to this one worst case efficiency, then it will be big theta of n square. So the answer will be big theta of n square, hence the answer will be 8. Thank you.